Hello everyone, hello Shakthi, and this is us again. We're gonna talk about StocksDojo. This is our platform we're developing right now to analyze stocks market. Here we discuss different companies, our favorite thing to do. And today's topic is ta-da-da-da-da-da, Shakthi.
It's Novo Nordisk. We are going to
Novo
discuss about, yeah,
Nordisk. I always pronounce it wrong. Novo Nordisk, not
yeah,
any.
yeah,
We don't say these words here.
yeah.
What do you know about the company?
So, it's not a US-based company, but I have been following it for a while because it's one of the most successful companies in the world. Their core business is usually diabetes care, insulin products, GLP-1 receptors, etc. Most of their revenue comes from diabetes and obesity care. That's like up to 80 to 90% of their revenue. Ozempic is a famous drug now, and Wegovy, that is also a famous drug. These two drugs have been a good revenue generator, and they are the biggest drivers of growth for this company, considered a powerhouse in diabetes and obesity care. It has been the largest pharmaceutical company in Denmark. Its success is influenced by the country's robust economy. The stock rallied after the FDA approval of Wegovy for treating liver disease. Right. Even though the stock has crashed a lot in the recent past, things seem pretty good from an investor's perspective because the valuation now looks fair. The probability of getting a decent return, which could beat the market, is high. That's why many are interested in Novo Nordisk. I was actually interested when the stock was at 120. Now I see it's even down from 120. So at this current rate, I would be interested to look at this stock and see if it can be part of our StocksDojo portfolio. Any questions you have so far?
Any questions? This is quite interesting that you were following this company, and we recently got a request to discuss this company. I would jump straight away to numbers.
And this is the chart, and as you can see, it is down by almost 60% in the last 1 year. And that's the reason why most are interested in it now, because it went from 32 in 2021 up to 140 plus, and then it is back to the 57. It is at this point, right? So, from an investor's perspective, this could be a gift from the market because the company is strong. It has a lot of competition, especially Eli Lilly has a similar product in the United States. And also the tariff issues raised by Trump, those are causes of concern for Novo. But I think over time, these issues will be sorted out. The product is of high quality. As long as the product is good and the company's management is good, I predict a strong future for this company. And they have delivered in the past, and I believe they will be able to deliver in the future too. If you look at the dividends, which is what I love the most, the dividend increases have been consistent, one of the best in the market that I've seen. And because the stock has crashed so much, if you notice in 2024, the yield was just 1.71,
Yeah.
but now it's about 3. And that is something I love as a dividend investor. And I'm looking at adding the stock in our portfolio soon. Yeah.
Great. Should we assess it on ESG?
Yeah, sure. So,
First of all, this is triple A company. They have triple A ESG rating with strong risk management performance. 2024 Human Rights Report outlined their adherence to UN guiding principles across operations and value chain, including a formal compliance hotline and mitigation mechanism. A lot of smart words, but I believe they're cool. So then focus on safety and environmental measurements, safety measures and proactive safety first strategies, boosting hazard awareness and risk reduction. Climate target 33% reduction target for scope 3 emission by 2033, net zero emission by 2045. The challenges. transparency in payments. So basically, they didn't disclose about 7.8 million in payments to patient organizations. Okay, drug pricing and legal exposure. That's another issue. Drugs are getting more and more expensive. I guess that people don't like it. Other than that, I think they are fine.
Right. So you brought up a good point about the cost of the drug, right?
Yeah.
In the US, there is this ongoing debate that drugs produced by companies like Novo are pretty expensive, and there is a political debate around reducing the cost of these drugs. Now,
Yeah.
that is also a potential future risk, and this could also be part of the reason why the stock went down a lot in the recent past. So they'll have to figure out ways to be more efficient in their operations. If the drug prices are cut down for whatever reason, they'll still have to manage a growing profit in the future. So these are the challenges that the company is facing. Yeah. So while you were talking, I was just wondering how to rate these, and do you see any other scope other than what I have done here?
Pretty much everything is covered. I would just submit.
Okay, there you go. Now the environment score is 57. That's good. You have SDG social of 56 and governance of 60. So it's averaging around 55 to 60. So looks decent,
Yeah.
and we don't see any red flags as such when it comes to sustainability for this company.
Great. Well, um, that was an interesting discussion as
Hmm.
usual. Enjoyed it a lot. And we'll see each other very, very soon. And see all of you. Again, don't forget share, subscribe. And we will come back and send us more requests about companies that we're going to discuss. Next time, we have a few requests and you will see something super, super cool that we've done recently.